All right, guys, here's the first part of the stoichiometry review. We're going to do questions number 1 and 2 in this video. So first thing we got to do is we have to balance our equation before we do anything else. We have 3 oxygens right here, but we only have 2. So common denominator between 3 and 2 would be 6. So I have 6 oxygens there, 6 oxygens there, and then I just have to put a 2 right there. So let's look at our question. It says how many moles, so it wants to know moles, so moles of potassium chloride equal the number they gave us, 12 moles of KClO3. Remember what I always say is same unit on top, same unit on the bottom. So I'm going to write the same thing on the bottom as I did on the top, on both sides. Now I go back to my original equation. It says moles of KCl3, so I look at my original equation. Well, it says I have 2 moles. I'm going to put 2 right there. And same thing here. It says moles of KCl. Well, in the original equation, I have 2. So I write 2 right there. All thing left to do is cross multiply and divide. So in my calculator, what I would do is I'd type in 12 times 2 divided by 2, which would give me an answer of 12 moles KCl, and that would be my final answer. Okay. Now looking here at the next question, number 2, we're going to balance our equation. And it says how many grams of KCl is produced from 3.5 moles of potassium. So what do they want to know? Equals the number they give you. Every time. It does not matter what units they give you. It works out the same every single time. Same unit on top. Same unit on the bottom. Okay. So here it says moles of K. So that's talking about the numbers in front. So right here I have a 2 in front of the K. So I'm going to write 2. Now here it says grams of potassium chloride. So I'm going to circle everything here. And I have to figure out how much does that whole thing weigh. So I go to my periodic table, and I figure out that chlorine weighs 35.45 at 3, and the potassium weighs 39.098, and I have 2 of each. So if potassium is 39.098, and again chlorine is 35.453. I'm going to add those up, and then simply just multiply it by 2. So 35.453 plus 39.098. And then I'm going to multiply that answer by 2 because, again, there is 2 of those compounds. And that would go right here. Now, the thing left to do is to cross multiply and then divide. For a total answer of 260.9 grams KCl.